Shifting our focus to the state of Haryana, the political bickering has begun ahead of the assembly polls in the state of Haryana. The Haryana BJP has written to the Election Commission seeking the postponement of the polls scheduled for October 1st, citing holidays before and after October 1st. The BJP Haryana says that 2 days before and after the election date would lead to people taking long leaves and heading out of the state, thus impacting the voter turnout. But the request has drawn criticism and digs from the Congress as well as Aam Aadmi Party. They have accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of accepting, in fact, the impending defeat. In this letter, the BJP has said that there is an extended weekend around the voting day. September 28th and 29th are the weekend. Voting is on 1st and 2nd is Gandhi Jayanti, which means that if private and government employees take leave on the 30th of September, they would get an extended weekend. And the letter also went on to mention that the Bishnoi community would also go and in fact travel to Bikaner for an event and a program there, and mentioning that the Election Commission has always taken consistent efforts to increase the voter turnout. It would help that there was no holiday before and after the voting date. Listen in to what the Bharatiya Janata Party said on this.
कहीं ऐसा न हो कि वोटिंग कम हो जाए, परंतु मैं सभी से अपील करना चाहूँगा और चुनाव आयोग से जो हमारे माननीय अध्यक्ष जी ने लेटर लिखा है, उन्होंने ये चिंता जाहिर की है कि इस डेट को अगर कुछ आगे पीछे कर लें सभी दलों से बात करके, ताकि वोट परसेंटेज ज़्यादा बढ़े। और वोट परसेंट ज़्यादा हो लोकतंत्र के हित के अंदर वो ठीक है, परंतु उसको लेकर के माननीय हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी ने लेटर लिखा है चुनाव आयोग को।
Well, you heard the reaction of the Chief Minister of Haryana. Now, Congress and Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, have criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing it of panicking ahead of the elections. Now, in a post on social media, Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia said that if BJP had worked on the ground, it would not have been seeking postponement of the elections. Now, Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda also asserted that BJP requested for a delay. In fact, this goes on to indicate that it has already conceded the defeat in the Haryana elections. Listen in.
जब डिक्लेयर किया उसका एक हफ्ते से ज़्यादा हो गया डिक्लेयर करने के लिए, ये बात सुनी थी। इसका मतलब वो चुनाव को टालना चाहते हैं और अपने हार मान चुके हैं। चुनाव समय पर जो है हमने धन्यवाद किया था उनका, चुनाव आयोग का, क्योंकि लोग एक दिन भी सरकार को नहीं रखना चाहते। ये क्यों टालना चाहते हैं, समझ से बाहर है हमारे चुनाव समय पर होने चाहिए।
Yes, of course. Before also, elections were conducted during festival season, but they are opting to stand one for themselves or for others. Whatever suits for them, that's okay. If that doesn't suit, then they try not to get that be done.
देखिए, कई बार ऐसा तो हुआ है कि बीच में कोई बड़ा त्यौहार आ गया, चाहे वो हिंदू धर्म का कोई त्यौहार हो या क्रिश्चियंस का हो, मुस्लिम्स का हो। वहाँ तो इस तरह का हुआ कि 1 या 2 दिन चुनाव उस तारीख के बाद कराए गए हों। लेकिन ये कि लंबा छुट्टी का समय है, तो ये तो कोई दलील नहीं। उस भारतीय जनता की पार्टी का कार्यक्रम जैसे भी रहे हैं, उससे समाज जोड़ने की बजाय समाज कमजोर करने की जो दिशा में जो बातें हुई हैं, उससे हरियाणा के लोगों में नाराजगी है।
Well, a strong reaction has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They've hit back at the Congress party, claiming that there's a big divide within the Haryana Congress, and also taking to the Twitter. Amit Malviya posted a video of, in fact, a poster of Kumari Shelja and said that Bahu Beta camp was upset over it. Listen in. In fact, before we show you that reaction, let me firstly go across to our reporter Amandeep, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Amandeep, we see that, in fact, BJP has written to the Election Commission seeking the postponement of the elections which are scheduled in month and a half. But Congress sees red. They're saying that BJP has already conceded defeat. Take us through the war of words. and connect that line with our reporter Amandeep, but definitely the political bickering has started in the state of Haryana just a month and a half ahead of the assembly polls. The BJP has written to the Election Commission seeking the postponement of the polls which are scheduled for October 1st. And the Bharatiya Janata Party is in fact saying that the elections should be postponed. We'll get you more on this, but right now we're heading into a short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.